Hey, this is me again. So we have a Kenmore heavy duty 70 series. These are old but gold. So as you can see, it's tried to make a spin but it doesn't. So to do that, let me quick once a while, so maybe in this case you may hear some kind of noise, but you see, so we try to trick the there's not goes to spin cycle that the tap, and or in the simple word is not a spin again. So it's tried to, but somehow it didn't let. So in this case we have a, let me unplug it. We can tilt it back, then we can reach underneath. So we need to remove drain pump right here, which there's two clip, 1 and 2. Once we're done, so we just gonna take them off. Alrighty. Just like that. Then look like we have a bat or leaking. I don't know. I will check. Then we need 1 and 2. We need to remove these two. So now we need to remove these two clips. There's one top and one down. So once we're done, we can remove this one, put it to the side. So as you can see, so we have a bad coupler. We definitely need to replace this one because so once these are broke, as you can see, this is it's totally those teeth, those legs, which is goes between the coupler. So try to spin it, so it was broken. So in this case we need to replace this one, and we're ready to go put everything back, and just like that. So stay with me. So now we remove this part. Okay, so that was a bad one, and we can use this one. So always try to get this kind with middle part. So these are my favorite one. Okay, you can okay, so once we level there, then we good to go. Alright, so we can put one there, and the same thing we can do some tap, left, right, up, down, you know, till it's get level. And that's it. So we can put this one, and so to put easy way, so put it on like 12 o'clock. Same thing here. So like, you know, I do most of the time with a first try, but let's see, this maybe take me longer. So that's the easy way you can put it back. Okay, let me adjust it and adjust it here. Let's try it. Then I need to go underneath and check so which part or not goes. We should be, there you go. Okay, so now I started with the top one. Just pull a little bit the motor and this is a hole. Come on. Dang it. Okay. And so when you try to put the top one, so you can, before you put the motor, you can just try it. So that's gonna make you easy. Just like that. And now we need to put those two screws back right here. Okay, and one is on the top. There you go. So the way I explained, I thought some leak, but I may need to check them again. So I just put the water pump back. So I see it. Okay, okay. On top, one clip, and then one on the down. Where I put, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's plug it in, and this should be help, otherwise you may have a bad collage also. And that's it. Okay, so let's make sure we good to go. We can alrighty. Alrighty. So let me a quick tip. So this gonna be the first issue you check. This could be few things. So if not a span, so make sure the lid switch is good. Okay, so if it's not a span, then make sure the coupler. And then the last thing, make sure the collage is good. So if the collage is sleepy, get oily during the time, oil leaks from transmission, then during the spin cycle, spread on the clutch. So when the clutch get kind of oily, greasy, so same thing, not gonna spin. That's gonna be the last thing. But the first two things, always make sure a lid switch and bad coupler. And if this video helped out, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.